Hello all, welcome to session 19 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I'm going to practically show you how to use Selectors Hub for converting the XPath to CSS selectors. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where Selectors Hub is already installed. Now let's browse the sample application URL, that is omaya.blogspot.com. Firstly, I'll create an XPath for this search button. Okay, I'll create an XPath for this search button. Right click, inspect, and this is the HTML code for this search button, guys. By looking at this HTML code of the search button, I'll be manually creating the XPath now. Control F. I'll copy this class attribute value, and by looking at this HTML code, I can see it is a tag name is input and attribute name is class and its value is this one. Okay, /input at the rate class is equal to attribute name is equal to the attribute value, that is GSC search button in this case, and press enter. Okay, you see, using this XPath, I am able to locate this search button, right? You see the search button is getting located here using this XPath. I'll copy this XPath and paste it somewhere so that I can reuse it. Now let me refresh the page, guys. Okay, let me refresh the page. Now I'll simply randomly right click somewhere on this page and select inspect. Now I want to convert this XPath to CSS selector. Okay, I want to convert this XPath to CSS selector. How to do that? For that, we can use SelectorsHub. Okay, just go to the SelectorsHub and here copy this XPath that you want to convert into the CSS selector. You already have the XPath with you, guys. You just need to convert it into CSS selector and paste the XPath here. Whatever the XPath you want to convert into CSS selector, just paste inside the SelectorsHub functionality and press enter. The moment you press enter, this XPath got converted into the CSS selector and shown here. You see, suggested selector. Over the mouse here somewhere, guys, it will show you. Click to copy the suggested selector value. Okay, for this XPath, this is the suggested selector. Click here, it will be copied. Okay, this one. Copy this. This is a CSS selector, guys. For this particular XPath, this is the CSS selector. So hope guys you understood how to use Selectors Hub for converting the XPath to the CSS selector. Just provide the XPath into the Selectors Hub functionality and press enter. The XPath will be converted into the CSS selector and will be shown under here as suggested selector. It will be shown, guys. Okay, suggested selector. Fine, you can copy the CSS selector and use it. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.